Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about the Dashlink Waitlist on Doordash. So Dashlink is a new opportunity on Doordash where you actually can accept delivery routes for specific retail locations and even some not so retail locations, and deliver a large amount of packages in that said route for a large amount of pay in comparison to that of a normal short delivery, which a lot of people are reporting that they're getting really good pay with these orders, and in some areas are getting a Dashlink waitlist, and that can increase their chances of getting more Dashlink offers. So with that said, I want to go over everything that you must know about Dashlink offers on Doordash, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over in this video is very market dependent, and what applies to me and my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. The Dashlink Waitlist aims to help you improve the predictability of Dashlink offers. Tap the link you received on your phone to see the waitlist. Please make sure that your Dasher app is updated to the latest version for access. And that's just good advice for any sort of app that you're using. Make sure it's up to date and everything. If you have to go to the App Store or the Play Store in order to do that, do that. Just make sure everything's copacetic. The last thing you need, especially since you need a pretty constant connection, is to worry about the app having glitches that are within your control. What is Waitlist? Waitlist is a way for you to sign up ahead of time to increase your opportunity to receive Dashlink offers later that day. Dashlink offers are prioritized for drivers on the waitlist in order of when they joined. And it's gonna look something like this. How does the Dashlink waitlist work? Signing up, if you meet the following criteria, you will see an option for you to join the waitlist on the Dash Now page of your Dasher app. You are dashing in the market where waitlist is available. Your account has been pre-selected. You are looking to dash after the waitlist in your region has opened, but before all the spots on the waitlist have been taken. So it has to be in your market. Duh. Your account has to be pre-selected, so you have to almost be invited to the program, similar to that of the LOP or DoorDash Drive when it was around. And you have to hop on the wait list before all the spots are taken. How many spots are in your region? It's going to be market to market, and how many of the stores in your area are actually looking for drivers that are near the particular location in question. Maybe it's a Petco, maybe it's PetSmart, maybe it's a warehouse of some kind, who knows? Maybe it's Dashmart. But all in all, you're literally looking to hop on the wait list so that way all of the routes they need to fill are fillable. Confirmation: once you're successfully on the wait list, you will see an estimated time for arrival in addition to your place in line. These will both update as your time slot approaches, which you're gonna see that right at the top, the estimated pickup window as well as your spot in that line. Note that the example that they're using here is 7 to 8 a.m. I personally think that morning routes are one of the best things you could have as a gig worker. Get it done by, let's say, 11 if it's possible. And then you have not only a really good start to the day, you have the lunch rush and the dinner rush later if you want to, and you're not worried about hitting your goal because you already made a significant amount in the morning. Receiving offers. Plan to arrive at the pickup location at the time given to you after you sign up. You will be given an offer as you start heading over to the pickup location. The experience will look the same as usual from here. And those orders will look something like this, almost like a giant stacked order. How do I sign up for the waitlist? Access the waitlist by tapping on the waitlist link that was sent to you via text. It also lives in the notification center of your Dasher app, the bell icon. So either check your text messages or check your notifications. Waitlists open for sign up early in the morning, 7 a.m., and spots are limited based on the number of Dashlink offers available that day. If there is a spot available, tap join waitlist to join. So the time in which the waitlist opens is 7 a.m., and they already know how many Dashlink offers are available in that general area. Can you possibly still get Dashlink offers when when you're not on the wait list, of course, but those are going to be scraps that people don't want. Almost like a plethora of no-tip customers. Bots refresh every day, so remember to sign up for the waitlist on a daily basis. Which makes sense, they're gonna have orders every day. They're probably gonna be busier during some days of the week than others, just like every other app. But again, they do have more opportunities available. What if there are already enough people on the waitlist for the number of offers there will be? If there are already as many drivers signed up as the number of offers available for that day, the waitlist will be full and you will not be able to join. Spots may become available again later in the day if a driver leaves the waitlist without taking an offer. I would assume that basically means that they saw all the orders and they declined them all. So if they didn't want those orders, it means they might even have a bad batch of Dashlink orders. You don't know. What happens if I decline the offer when it's my turn? It's your choice whether to accept or decline a Dashlink offer presented to you while on the waitlist, and you may continue to get other Dashlink offers when they are available. So just because you declined a Dashlink offer doesn't mean you won't get more. Like I said, you basically have to wait your turn like everybody else. What happens if I don't show up to the pickup location on time when I've accepted an order? We'll continue to hold your packages for a short period of time, but reserve the right to unassign at any point. Repeated no-shows may result in losing access to the wait list. Which, honestly, I don't even blame them. If you can't even follow through on an opportunity that you signed up for, then why the hell do we even want you on the wait list? Seriously, I'll boot you myself. Can I still get a Dashlink offer if I'm not on the wait list? You may sometimes get Dashlink offers if you're not on the wait list. However, joining the wait list increases your chances of receiving a Dashlink offer. Yeah. Like I said, if I'm on the waitlist, how do I know when to show up? The waitlist will give you an estimated pickup time based on the schedule for assignments and your spot in line. If drivers that are ahead of you in line don't show up, you may receive offers earlier than the initial estimated time. Note that this is an estimate, not a guarantee or requirement. If you're not close to the spot on the waitlist, you should feel free to accept other offers in the meantime. So let's say you get a Dashlink offer at 8 o'clock and pickup time is at 11, let's say, right? You should definitely be filling in that time with either more offers or doing something that is going to help you long term. Like I said, the gig economy is an income bridge to what would be a long-term goal. It's not the goal. But let's say you're on a delivery that's taking much longer than it should be, and it's affecting your ability to show up to the actual Dashlink route on time. Then maybe you might want to consider unassigning that order, because quite honestly, if restaurants can't get their act together, you can't be waiting for them anyway. Am I guaranteed an offer if I'm on the wait list? No, being on the wait list is not a guarantee that you will receive a Dashlink offer that day, but it will increase your chances. To be perfectly honest with you, I don't think that makes sense, because if that's gonna be the case, why do you need a specific number of drivers if you know exactly how many Dashlink offers there are, and you know how many drivers you're going to need? That makes no sense to me. But yeah, increasing your chances will help. Do I need to stay a certain distance away from the pickup location when I'm next on the waitlist? No, the exclusion zone, i.e. the highlighted area near the pickup location, does not apply to drivers on the waitlist. And you may approach the pickup location when your turn is coming up. There's no preference given to waitlist drivers who are closer versus further away, so please be mindful to not congregate at the pickup location as you wait. So don't crowd the pickup area, number one, and number two, proximity doesn't mean anything to waitlist orders specifically. Does proximity matter to Dashlink offers that you're not on the waitlist for? I'm sure, but in specifically terms of the waitlist itself, proximity is not that much of a factor. Why are we launching this? We are launching this to improve the predictability of Dashlink offers so that you can know in advance your chance of getting a Dashlink offer and when to drive to the pickup location. It has nothing to do with the money they're gonna be making from this, right? But if you want to know more about the Dashlink offer specifically and see if that's even an opportunity you'll want to be a part of at all, I made a video talking all about that. I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. Did I miss anything. Is there something else about the Dashlink waitlist specifically that I've yet to cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that anybody and everybody that is potentially thinking about hopping on the Dashlink waitlist themselves knows how to do that, and they can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!